Music is the heartbeat of this country, but what is it actually like for the Welsh artists?
I think it's really exciting. Some great new bands coming through. You know, Boyzuga touring with Liam Gallagher, which is just incredible. And you know, people like Rose of Tea House, Hannah 2K, who won Triskel Awards tonight. You know, they've got a really exciting future ahead of them, and we get to say we're very proud to say that they're from Cardiff. You know, so it's an exciting time, I reckon, and yeah, a lot of fun.
Welsh music is described as experimental. Why do you think that is?
Who describes it as experimental?
If you both had to sum up Welsh music in one word, I mean the whole of Welsh music, what would it be?
Experimental. It's very experimental, I would say. Yeah.
Perhaps some people see it as being experimental just because it's in a minority language, sometimes if it's in Welsh. But I wouldn't describe a band like Stereophonics as being experimental. We have a wealth of music in Wales, and it's across all genres and crosses many, many boundaries.
What would you like to see in the future of Welsh music?
Oh, just more albums and more recognition, I suppose. You know, it's lovely seeing packed gigs and people buying the records. So it's been great.